Gusto kong lumaki ka ng maayos, yung magalang, may respeto sa kapwa. Lahat ng gusto mo mabigay ni mama, gusto ko yun. I love you, baby.
Yeah, you don't know what you got until it's too late. But you won't know if you got it till you give it away. You'll never know what you could hold if you don't let go.
Happy birthday, baby. Welcome to the family and sana lumaki ka ng healthy and strong and syempre kamukha ni Tito. Happy birthday.
Hands up to the sky, we stay feeling high. This ain't no goodbye, goodbye. Keep losing control, big bombs in the road. Who cares where we go?
Ang wish ko po kay Ben, sana lumaki siya may takot sa Diyos. Maging religious siya.
Happy birthday kay Den. Lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, magalang, sumusunod sa mga magulang, at syempre, isa pa sa pinakamahalaga yung matapos mong pag-aaral mo para future mo.